Let's take a look at how we can upload documents into the My Pension Online service quickly and easily. First, we need to log into My Pension Online and we'll arrive at our dashboard. As we move down, we can see the panel called Documents and Forecasts and an option for Document Upload. Let's click on that and we're taken to a page where we can upload a document from either a phone, tablet or computer. Next, click Browse and navigate to where the files are saved on your device and select one. You can only upload one file at a time. In this example, we're uploading a sample of a driver's license in JPEG format. Notice there are a few restrictions on the type of file we can upload. We need to make sure that any document we upload is under 10 megabytes or we'll receive an error message. Next, we need to select the category of document that we're uploading. Let's select the first option and then click Upload. This message above in green confirms that the upload was successful. Just repeat these steps to upload another document. We can confirm that the document has been uploaded by heading to the document area of the dashboard and can see that our file is now listed. Our team automatically receive a message when you upload documents. They'll get in touch with you if we need anything else, so there's no need to contact us. And that's how you upload documents quickly and easily into My Pension Online.